thinking about it. I know that you're shady and you're bad for me, but I can't stop thinking about it. If you think I'm pretty, lay your hands on me. No, you can't stop thinking about it. I know that you're shady and you're bad for me, but I can't stop thinking about it.
Won't you give that shit a rest? Said you needed love, but you're only here for. And I'm dying to be next. Killed me once before, I just come back more obsessed with it. Nothing that I need to say that hasn't been said. I don't need an apology, just show me instead.
If you think I'm pretty, lay your hands on me. No, you can't stop thinking about it. I know that you're shady and you're bad for me, but I can't stop thinking about it. If you think I'm pretty, lay your hands on me. No, you can't stop thinking about it. I know that you're shady and you're bad for me, but I can't stop thinking about it. If you think I'm pretty, pretty hands on me. No, you can't. If you're pretty, pretty. If you think I'm pretty, pretty hands on me. No, if you think I'm pretty, lay your hands on me.